Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires. I'm Brian, here to break down the biggest XRP headlines making waves in the crypto space today. May 13th, 2025. It's been another action-packed week for XRP, so let's dive right in and talk about the news everyone's watching. The major market moves, ETF chatter, analyst price targets, and the ongoing regulatory saga shaping Ripple's future. First up, let's look at XRP's current market performance. As of today, XRP is trading right around $2.43, after flirting with the $2.55 mark this week. That's a massive leap from where it was just a month ago. Just last November, we saw it under $1.50, and now analysts are talking in multiples of that price. The market capitalization has surged as well, sitting at a stunning $130 billion. This cements XRP's place in the crypto top 5, and it's currently outpacing much of the altcoin market. But what's really behind this surge? First, we can't ignore the impact of regulatory clarity. You might remember the seismic ruling back in July 2023. A federal judge declared that XRP isn't a security when it's traded on public exchanges. That ruling, combined with ongoing negotiations to resolve Ripple's penalties for those specific institutional sales, has cleared a cloud that's hung over XRP since December 2020. Following this legal clarity, we saw XRP get relisted on major U.S. exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. That's reignited interest from both retail and institutional investors, with inflows steadily ticking up since the beginning of the year. Market sentiment has shifted, and it's not just chatter. Price action backs it up. Now let's talk price movement and technicals. XRP posted a 10% gain over the past week, lifting from $2.109 on May 6th to above $2.40 by May 12th. Veteran analyst Michael Van de Pepe points out that XRP has left its old consolidation range and is entering a new bullish phase. He identifies that key support sits between $1.57 and $1.81, levels established after XRP rallied from under $1.50 up to nearly $3.50 in early 2025. After some healthy corrections, XRP now trades just 41% below its all-time high of $3.84. According to Van de Pop, that breakout zone is fast approaching, and the momentum is clearly building to retest those highs. Further technical insights come from analysts like XRP Crypto and X-Force Global, who keep a close watch on XRP's structural supports. XRP flags $1.83 as a line the market shouldn't close below, while X-Force Global holds a firmly bullish stance as long as XRP stays above $1.60. If these levels hold, and current trends suggest they will, XRP could be primed for another explosive move. But it's not all smooth sailing at every moment. Today, XRP saw a small pullback, dropping to $2.40 before rebounding to $2.40 for 2 years. This brief decline brought the RSI, the Relative Strength Index, closer to the midline, indicating that short-term momentum is cooling for now. However, this could just be a healthy breather before the next leg up, especially in such a fast-moving bull market. On the fundamental front, things are just as exciting. With Ripple expected to wrap up its penalty negotiations with the SEC soon, market watchers predict a wave of enhanced adoption. And as crypto analyst Ido Farina noted, the resolution of Ripple's lawsuit unlocks the doors for global institutional adoption. He predicts XRP could reach $10 as early as this year if these bullish catalysts continue to line up. Let's touch on the ETF front. While a Ripple ETF hasn't launched yet, rumors and speculation are swirling around the possibility. If the broader market sees more institutional products coming to the US, XRP, the third largest crypto by adoption and fifth by market cap, would likely benefit massively. That would not only give Wall Street access to XRP, but would further legitimize it in the eyes of conservative investors. Another area to keep an eye on is the growing conversation around cross-border payments. Competitors like Remitix are making headlines by targeting seamless crypto to fiat transfers and eating into the trillion-dollar remittance market. However, XRP's clear regulatory clarity in the US, alongside its established network with financial institutions, means it's well-positioned to maintain its lead against these challengers. To sum it up, we're witnessing a pivotal moment for XRP. The technicals look bullish, Market confidence is rebounding post-SEC case, and the stage could be set for new all-time highs in the near future. Analysts are eyeing the $10 mark as a feasible target this year, and regulatory clarity is fueling renewed institutional and retail adoption. As always, I remind our viewers to do their own research and remember that crypto markets are highly volatile. Stay updated. These next few weeks are critical for XRP, and we'll be here every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in to Crypto Millionaires. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and tap that notification bell so you never miss another XRP news breakdown. Share this video with your crypto crew and let us know in the comments, where do you think XRP is headed next? This is Brian signing off. See you in the next episode.